All right, let's start the next topic now. Very simple, very easy topic. So number formatting. All right, so this number formatting lesson is all going to be about significant figures and decimal places. And yes, I know you did this already in primary school, and if you already remember how to do it, then fine, but I recommend you do a refresher anyway because not many people count significant figures correctly. So express a value to a given number of, and I'll say one, let's say significant figures, and two decimal places. Alright, so since the most difficult one is significant figures, we're going to do significant figures first. So let me put this here, this over here, yellow, good, yeah, so significant figures. Alright, and then let's do a little bit of a note for significant figures so you can have an idea of what they are. So these are the digits in a number that contribute to its precision. This includes all non-zero digits, any zero between significant digits, and trailing zeros in the decimal portion. All right, quick and easy example of that. Let me just say example. Let's say required to express 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to two significant figures. Right? Then what we'll do, we'll just write it in orange and do it in orange. So should I leave it as pink? Yeah, leave it as pink. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 0.4, 5, 6. So all I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to start counting from the left. So I'll say first number on the left that is not 0, I start counting from there, and that's why I do my significant figures. So this first one is going to be 1 significant figure, 2 significant figure, so I'm going to have to cut off the digit right after that. But I'm not going to put 3 back, I'm going to put a 0 back here. Alright? Now if this was 5 or higher, I would add 1 to the front on this side and then put the 0 here, but it's not, so I'm going to leave it as it is, not adding of any numbers, and I'm going to put a 0 over there. So the answer is that this will approximately be 120, and that's rounded. I'll just put this in a different color so you know it's rounded to 2 sig figs. Alright? That's 2 significant figures. Now you may think, well, that sounds easy, let's do another one, and I can do that for sure. Okay, no problem. You can try this one and see if you get the exact same answer you're supposed to get with me. So let's see, express 0.00456723 significant figures. All right, that's not going to be difficult. So let's see, put down a little bit more, 0.004567, and let's count. So we're going to start 1, 2, 3, cut off here. We'll say it's approximately 0.00, and you'll be wrong. This is not what you have to do. All right, don't do that. Do not do that. Okay, so again, first non-zero is where you start counting. So you start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, and you cut off at that point there. So the answer for this is going to be rounded because I'm going to have here as greater than equal to 5. It fits the condition of greater than equal to 5. So I'm going to put plus 1 here. And since I'm plus 1 there, it's going to be approximately 0.00457, right? And I'm going to write it in red again, and this is rounded to 3 sig figs. All right? Okay, fairly straightforward. Let's go to the next one, decimals. So this one here, I'm the same decimal places, decimal places. I wonder what color I used before. I think I used yellow. Yeah, use yellow. So let me use yellow again. I'm going to use yellow right here. So decimal places. Shucks. Decimal places. And then I'm going to write a little note here about decimal places so that would be easier for it. And let's see. So decimal places refer to the number of digits to the right of the decimal point. This indicates the precision of a number. All right, and it's very easy for the steps involved. First step, identify the decimal point. Yeah, big whoop, right? Anybody could identify a decimal point. And then we can say count all digits to the right of the decimal point. And then we're going to round the number to the desired number of decimal places, considering the digit immediately after the last decimal place to determine if you round up. All right, so you need to know if you're going to be rounding up or not, and that's fairly straightforward. Again, let's do a quick example. So pencil example. Let's say you're required to express, and I go again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 to 2 decimal places. So that means I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and let's look at the decimal places now. So I'm going to say 1 2 decimal places, so that's 2 positions after the decimal point. Cut off right here. This here fits the condition of being greater than or equal to 5, so I have to add 1 to the power. Sorry, not add 1 to the power, add 1 to this value here right before the cutoff point, and we will get this as being approximately equal to 123.46, and this here is rounded to 2. Scroll on a little bit. Decimal places. All right, nothing big there. Let me try a different one now. So just like before, we're going to do the exact same thing. Same example as before. So let me see. Example, we are going to be required to express 0.0045723 decimal places. Again, write it out. 1 Write that again, 0.004567. We're counting 1, 2, 3. Cutoff point. We're going to add 1 here because this fits the condition of being greater than or equal to 5. So our answer is going to approximately be 0.005. And again, we're going to write rounded to 3 decimal places. Right? Nothing difficult. Very simple thing, very easy reminder lesson of what you're already supposed to know. Right? With this, we're almost halfway there. We should be finished very soon with this section of the work. I'll see you in the next one.